Hi, this is Shaurya and I will be presenting the Cabot Alert plugin for Xoxzo. I will be showing how it works and a little bit on how I developed it. First, we would need to build the Docker containers from the Docker image. This command is to start the VM. This command is needed to set it as the current environment. We can get the IP of the VM using Docker machine IV Cabot. This command will be used to build the VM from the Docker image. This would start the instance. Okay. In Cabot, there are services and checks. Each service contains multiple checks. So we would need to create a service first and then create a check under the service. I'll be creating a HTTP check which would point to an invalid URL. This would make the check to fail. After some time, when the task to check would run, the status would change to failing. I would now add what check should be present in this service. And I would also add what alerts should be used to notify the user. After saving the service, I would wait out for the check to run and then fail. Meanwhile, we can check if the phone number of the user is set in the user's profile page. Here the user needs to set his phone number for the notification. When it starts appearing as failing, the user would be notified via a call. If we acknowledge the failure, the users will receive a call that the failure has been acknowledged and the user is working on it. Alerts would be switched off for the time being. We can also manually trigger a call to check if the plugin works. This is the plugin setting page. Here I would select the Xoxzo plugin and I would send an alert to test if the call goes. The notification has gone and I have received a call. Now I would delve into how the plugin is built. To create the plugin, two methods need to be defined: send alert update, which sends the acknowledgement notification, and send alert, which sends the failure notification. After the plugin is created, we would need to mention its URL in the requirements plugin.txt for it to get installed in the environment. And we need to mention the plugin in development.env file for it to be imported. Once started, Cabot searches for the subclasses of the alert plugin class and invokes the necessary methods associated when it needs to send the notifications. So that was about it for Cabot Alert plugin for Xoxzo. This was Shaurya signing off.